Alright guys, so we just got off of Smuggler's Run. We just ate at Ronto Roasters. Now we're waiting for a little bit of weather to clear up to hopefully go on Slinky and Mickey and Minnie's at some point. So really looking forward to Mickey and Minnie's because there's not many times I get to ride something for the first time. So hopefully we get to do that tonight in the next few hours, and we'll let you know what we think of it.
Today. So I have some good news for you because Goofy had a blast. We're not going to show you a cartoon today. We're going to send you right into the cartoon world where Goofy's going to meet you at the train. So as I say your number, I'm going to have you head right on into the barn. Number 1.
Inside your train car at all times. Be sure to stay in your seats and keep a watchful eye on your little railroad riders. Okay? Thanks!
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's conga! Ah, da 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 da.
for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm finally begin. We had one crazy ride.
Alright guys, we just got off of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, got it right that time, and it was a blast. So we only waited half the time, it was like a little over 20 minutes, the posted wait time was 45 I think. So great job by Disney getting us through. During the pre-show thing, I guess there's a scene where you bust through a cartoon, so they skipped us through that. So we'll have to come back and check that out, not during COVID, because they were just walking you on straight to the ride. But the ride itself was really good. What do you think?
I loved it.
Perfect. So you have Love It from Bailey, and I thought it exceeded expectations from me. I'm sure we will do another video going more in depth into it and more shots from around the ride. But right now, we still have Slinky Dog to do today. So let's go do it.